Welcome to another video on factoring. In this video we're going to be solving equations by factoring. So we have this problem 8x squared equals 20x. And so what we need to start by doing is getting all of our terms onto one side and getting it equal to 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to subtract 20x from both sides. 20x minus 20x is 0. And since 8x squared and 20x are not like terms, we just have to put them both on the same side. Now, since we're looking to find the solutions to this, we are going to pull out our greatest common factor between 8x squared and a minus 20x. And so when we look at that, we see that we have a 4 and an x that are common, and it's our greatest common factor. So we're left with 2x minus 5 equals 0. Now, once we have our factors, we understand that either 4x has to be equal to 0, 2x minus 5 has to equal 0, or both of them equal to 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to put 4x equal to 0. We'll take 2x minus 5 and put it equal to 0, and we'll see if these work. So let's solve each of these for x. So we're going to start on this first one by dividing both sides by 4. X equals 0 divided by 4 is 0. And in this one, we're going to add 5 to both sides. You get that 2x equals 5. Now we need to divide by 2. And so x equals 5 halves, or you could say it's 2 1/2. So now what we need to do is check using our original equation, just to make sure that that these two solutions here do in fact make this statement true. So let's take a look first at x equals 0. When we plug that in, we have 8 times 0 squared equals 20 times 0. 0 squared is 0, times 8 is 0, and 20 times 0 is 0. So 0 equals 0, that's true. Okay, so we can create a solution set down here, and so 0 fits in our solution set. Okay, the other one that we're going to try is x equaling 5 halves, or we could say 2 1/2. So we come and we plug in 8 times 5 halves squared equals 20 times 5 halves. So when we look at 5 halves squared, it's 25 fourths times, we'll just call it 8 over 1. And here is 20 over 1 times 5 over 2. Let's do some reducing over here. 4 can go to 4 once, 4 can go to 8 twice, and we're left with 50 equals, we can do some reducing here, 10 and 1. 10 times 5 is 50. Since 50 equals 50, this is also true. And so another one of our solutions is 5 halves, or you could put 2 1/2 in there. And so for 8x squared equals 20x, we have two possible solutions that make it true, 0 and 5 halves. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful at all, go ahead and like my video, and you can check out other factoring videos on my channel. Thanks for watching.